We present a comprehensive survey on video-based facial microexpression analysis, in order to give a systematic overview of microexpression researches, and help boost future works in this field. First of all, what are microexpressions? Broadly speaking, there are two classes of facial expressions, macroexpressions and microexpressions. The first row presents macroexpression examples of 6 common emotion types, namely anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Macroexpressions are voluntary, usually last between 0.5 and 4 seconds, and cover a large facial area. By contrast, microexpressions are involuntary, rapid and local expressions. Their typical duration is between 0.065 and 0.5 seconds. Due to the inherent properties of microexpressions, they are very difficult to identify with the naked eye. Here in the second row are 6 microexpression video clips of 7 emotion types, all of which have been slowed down 1.5 times to show the subtle movements. For better understanding, we will demonstrate each example with the corresponding action units marked in red boxes. From top to bottom, the action units of the anger example are the combinations of eyelid tightening, nose wrinkling, sharp lip pulling, and chin raising. In the same order, the motions in the disgust example involve combinations of brow lowering, eyelid tightening, nose wrinkling, and upper lip raising. The fear example includes the combinations of brow lowering, upper eyelid raising, nasolabial deepening, dimpling, and lip stretching. The movements for the happiness example are combinations of cheek raising and lip corner pulling. The motions in the sadness example include combinations of inner brow raising, outer brow raising, dimpling, and chin raising. The motions of the surprise example are the combinations of inner brow raising, outer brow raising, upper eyelid raising, lip pucking, and jaw dropping. Lastly, the others category contains samples with motion combinations of brow lowering, eyelid tightening, nostril dilating, dimpling, and lip pucking. The contributions of this paper are as follows. Firstly, we give a comprehensive review on current microexpression researches with various aspects, including neuropsychological bases, datasets, features, spotting algorithms for detecting and locating microexpressions from videos, recognition algorithms for microexpression classification, their applications, and a unified evaluation for the existing methods. Specifically, we introduced the subject-independent evaluation scheme. Instead of the conventional subject-dependent scheme that is based on emotion categories, which selects a certain portion of each category to form the testing set, the subject-independent scheme is based on subjects and selects all samples of a certain number of subjects as the testing set. Another important contribution of this paper is establishing a new expression dataset, namely Micro and Macro Expression Warehouse, MMEW. This dataset includes 600 macroexpressions of 6 categories and 300 microexpressions of 7 categories. Both macro and microexpressions are recorded from the same 36 subjects, which provides the possibility of further cross-modal research. All expressions are recorded with high resolution and high frame rate, which have also been pre-processed and annotated by experts. The annotations include emotion categories, onset frames, apex frames, offset frames, and action units. MMEW dataset is so far the largest and most diverse hybrid dataset, and it is publicly available at our website for any academic use. We hope to open up new avenues for future microexpression researchers. Thank you for watching.